Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, July the 30th, 2024. We have here an additional with extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and a 4 stars Sudoku. 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Saiwa block. In Japanese, Suguru. Last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this evening. Not all. Why not? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. And besides, I've already solved 3 puzzles this afternoon, so it will be a lot of puzzles for a day. Alright, the first one will be number 8994. Alright, before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one, a lot, 30 printed digits. Usually a 3 stars Sudoku has always 25 printed digits. This one has 5 digits more. I don't think it's a 3 stars puzzle. Maybe a 0 stars for a 0 stars puzzle. I need to be faster than 13 minutes. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Question is this a 3 stars or 0 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Alright, which number can I pick? How about a 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the third row, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row, so the first row, only place left for the 5 should be there. The 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column, so in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be here. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 5. Okay. Then let's see. How about? Well, 8. In 8 here. 8 in this row. 8 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8, okay. Then, 2, need a 2 there, yeah. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the third row, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. So the 2 in this big square, could be here, could be there. 2 in the third row. 2 in one of those 2 boxes. In the second row, so in the first row, the only 2 places left for 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the third column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2, okay. Then. How about? I need a 3 there. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 here. Yep. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 9. We have a 9 in the first row, so no 9 there. We have a 9 in the first column, no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 in this big square should be there. 4 and a 7, okay. 4 and a 7. Come on. Need an 8 here. Need an 8 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in the middle column, so no 8 in this box. We have an 8 in this row, so no 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in this row, 8 in one of those two boxes in the row below. So in the last row, the only place level 8 should be there. In 8 there, okay. Need a 2 there. Need a 1 here. Need a 9 here. Need a 7 there. This should be a 7. 3 missing numbers in the last row. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these two boxes. So 1 box left and a 7 in the last row. Should be there. 2 numbers left now in the last row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and 9. Let me mark those two boxes. Okay. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the last column, so no 4 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be down. 4, 4. Okay. Then let me see. Need a 6 there. 6. We have a pair. The 1 and a 6 in the first column. The 1 and a 6 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only two places left for the 1 and 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 6 in this row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 1 goes there. So 2 numbers left now in the second column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Let me mark those two boxes. Okay. Then. Yeah. Need a 1 here. Need a 1 there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing and 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Let me mark those. So we have a 2 in one of those two boxes in the last column. So this box can be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. Alright. Need a 6 here. 4 in the last column. 4 in that column. So the column between. The only place left for the 4 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the third row. No 4 in these two boxes. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 in those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 numbers left here. Here should be the 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7 is missing. 4 and 7. Let me mark those two boxes. Oh, we have a 4 in this row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 7 goes in there. 4 and a 3. We have a 4 in the first column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 4. Alright. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. Let me mark those two boxes. Alright. Come on. These are 3 missing numbers in the middle column are the numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 1, 6. The 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 1, 6, 9, 1, 6, 9, 1, 6, 9, 1, 6, 9. And look, we have a 1 and a 6 in this row. So no 1 and a 6 in this box. 1 and a 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. We have a 6 in the middle row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and no 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in the middle column for number 9. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. So 2 numbers left here, the 1 and a 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. Here we have 3 and a 9. The other two two missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this column for numbers 1, the 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. Well, will be difficult. Let me mark those. I need an 8 here. Okay. Let me see. Need a 2 there. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left, 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 middle row, so no 2 there, 2 should be here. 7 and a 2, we have 2 now in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 7 goes in there. 7 and the 3, we have a 7 now in this row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes in there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in that row, so the row between the middle row. The only 2 places left, the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. We have a pair, the 7 and the 6 in this column, the 7 and the 6 in the column next. So the last column, the only 2 places left, the 7 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and the 6, 7 and the 6. We have a 7 in the third row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 digit left in this big square for the number. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, we have a 9 now in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the last column, so the column 3. The only 2 places left, the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 and 8, we have 3 now in the middle row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row below. The only place left, 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in the last column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there, and the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. We have a 3 in the second row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes and there. Finish. 12 minutes. Well, told you, should be at 0 stars. Not the 3, not the 2, not the 1. Should be at 0 stars. I'm faster than 14, 13 minutes, so well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.